If you need to recover your Central Bank of Libya Switzerland account but don't have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the official website. Go to the official Central Bank of Libya Switzerland website. Look for the Account Recovery or Support section, which typically contains information on how to recover your account. Step 2. Locate the Recovery Form. Find the Account Recovery Form on the website. This form is usually designed for users who cannot access their accounts due to lost or unavailable phone numbers. Step 3. Fill out the required information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Provide alternative contact information. Since you do not have access to your phone number, provide an alternative contact method, such as an email address. Ensure that this email is one you can access, as it will be used for further communication. Step 5. Submit the form and wait for a response. After filling out the form, submit it and wait for a response from the bank. They may take some time to verify your information and will contact you via the alternative email you provided. Once you have completed these steps, keep an eye on your email for instructions from the bank. Following their guidance will help you regain access to your account.